case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a 2011 case heard by the Supreme Court of Texas, BIC Pen Corp v. Carter ex rel. Carter, Janice Carter sued BIC Pen Corp. On behalf of her daughter Brittany, who had been severely burned when her younger brother accidentally set her dress ablaze with a BIC lighter. The lawsuit accused BIC of manufacturing and design defects in the lighter. Although a jury originally ruled in favor of the plaintiff, the Supreme Court reversed the decision, citing insufficient evidence to support the manufacturing defect claim. This ruling stemmed from a principle that state law claims can be made against a company under specific circumstances, as long as they do not conflict with federal law. The lower court had erred in allowing the plaintiff's manufacturing defect argument to proceed, but state law tort claims were allowed under the Consumer Product Safety Act's CPSA savings clause. The burden of proof rested on the plaintiff, who was required to demonstrate that the child would not have been able to ignite the lighter if not for the manufacturing defects. Despite Carter's hopes that a Hamer-type analysis, often used in toxic tort cases, would be applicable, the court disagreed. These types of cases require both general and specific causation, often backed by epidemiological studies. The evidence presented did not satisfy the necessary criteria for causation in this instance. Ultimately, the Supreme Court ruled in favor of BIC Pen Corp, as the plaintiff was unable to provide conclusive evidence of causation for their manufacturing defect claim.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.